How to turn off Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily disable that option. First off, open up your Facebook Lite application. Once you open up the app, just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to find the three horizontal bars at the top right corner. Just tap on it. Then you'll find the settings and privacy menu right down below. Tap on the drop down. And once you do that, you'll just get over to the settings menu. Tap on settings. And once you land on the settings page, just scroll down all the way until you find this audience and visibility option. And right below here, you'll find followers and public content. Just tap on this one right here. And then right at the bottom, you'll find the off Facebook preview option. So what it does is enable Facebook preview when your public group posts are shared outside of Facebook, and previews may include your username, your profile image, and any other content from your original post. So in order to turn it off, just make sure that this option is turned on like this. Now it is turned off. So if this is off like this means the Facebook previews are enabled. Now if you do this, now this is disabled. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.